Controversial ka.
Yeah, the past few days.
Ay, wag na.
But ano reaction mo that your legal opinion or advice went viral?
I was very surprised. I mean, you know, it was just a very humble opinion that I was making. It was not in representation of anyone at all. I just had to say my piece kasi Sally's, ano na kasi, samot-samot na kasi yung mga nabibitawan, nasasabi and everything. But let me make one thing very clear, MJ, I do not condone cheating. I have been the victim of cheating in the past. And I know how painful it is to be cheated upon. So never ko i-condone ang cheating. It's wrong. Okay? Malinaw yan. But see, something that may be immoral or morally wrong, as they call it, does not necessarily equate to something illegal. So I was just saying what the law says. Yun lang naman. Ever since naman Legal Forum, which is 1992, I've always just been saying what the law is saying.
Right.
That's it.
Parang you just ano lang parang kind of rubbed feathers lang
I'm sorry if I rub feathers in the wrong way. I have nothing against anyone. I'm not protecting anyone either. Ang sa akin lang naman, two things. Sino ba sa atin ang hindi nagkakamali? And second, if a person, in your case kayo, meron kayong private na conversations na sobrang marami kayong nasabi doon, and then ayaw niyo lumabas, tapos merong naglabas, hindi rin ba kayo masasaktan? Yun lang naman yun.
Attorney, you're a lawyer to a lot of celebrities. Lumapit ba sa inyo?
I am not at liberty to say anything because I am bound by lawyer-client confidentiality.
Kasi parang ano tingin ng marami, ikaw wrong lawyer.
No.
Yun nga, para for clarification.
I'm not.
Alam mo naman, mainit ka, attorney. Alam mo
Attorney, may laging legal advice mo hindi sa anything.
Talaga? Ang dami nga hindi naman marami, siguro mga 20, 30, or yung directly messaging. Ang sasakit nila magsalita, may nagmura talaga. Diba? Yung putang na mo, gagawin mo.
So how do you deal with it?
Wala.
Sino
You know, I'm a senior citizen. I've been through a lot. I've been through all of this. Parang, I don't think anything bothers me anymore. Pero nagugulat lang ako.
Iba, rabbit ang mga netizens.
Ganun.
Kala nga ng iba, ikaw rin yung gumawa ng speech.
Lalo naman, I didn't even know about that. I was even caught by surprise. Oh my gosh, she's cool.
Yes.
I was caught by surprise. So wala akong kinalaman na.
Given all this, ano po yung reminder na gusto nyo ibigay sa mga netizens, online?
Sa mga celebrities.
I've always believed that the constitutional right to freedom of speech should always be upheld, but it should not be abused either. Yun lang.
But attorney, are you open to get Maris and Anthony sa mga future project ninyo?
Sa ngayon, ako kasi pag nagka-cast ako, depende sa material. Like, you know, I have never made a single project na ito gagawin ko for this cast. Wala. So kapag meron siguro, bakit hindi? I've worked with Maris before, and she's very good in Here Comes the Crew.
Right.
So magaling siya. Pag merong role in the future, why not? Tingnan natin. Hindi ko pa masabi, but for now, I think ano muna, lay low muna for a while and let spirits, you know, the high tension come down. I think that's best for everybody. Kasi sometimes when you're so angry, when you're so reactive, you say a lot of things that you don't mean or may hurt people, and hindi mo na mababawi yun eh. So, mas better na lang na tahimik mo.
Thank you, attorney.